Chat GPT can help enhance your marketing efforts. Let's learn how. Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of digital marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has been the buzz lately, and Chat GPT is one of the free resources you can use to help your customers engage with your brand. So how can you use Chat GPT? Let's start with content creation. Now, let me preface this by saying I don't think you should hand everything off to Chat GPT. Think of it as your writing partner. Paul McCartney had John Lennon. You have Chat GPT. So, as you're creating content for your customers, whether it's a blog post, a downloadable, or something you can email out, how about using Chat GPT to get started? Maybe you want to craft an email telling people about 3 different ways they can lose weight by walking, and Chat GPT can give you a bunch of ideas. From there, you can do some research or start piecing some things together that make sense, and it will save you an abundance of time. You can also use Chat GPT to help support your customers. Think about the top 10 questions you get asked all the time. What time are you open till? Are you doing anything for the holidays? Do you have a special? Maybe sometimes, are you on social media? These are items you can put into a chat bot, and Chat GPT can answer these questions for you online. Think about the amount of time you spend on the phone for 3, maybe less than 60 seconds doing one of these things. If Chat GPT can do that for you, think of the amount of time you get back to serve your customers. You can also use Chat GPT to help you craft emails. You're going to build an email list over time with customers that have done business with you. So think about the email you want to send. Maybe it's somebody who's bought white socks, or you want to tell everybody about something you're doing for Cyber Monday. Or maybe you want everybody to know that even though the weather's coming in this winter, you're going to be open even if there's snow because you live upstairs. You can tell Chat GPT that you want to craft an email that covers 1, 2, or 3 bullet points, and it'll give you a draft. From there, you can make edits, you can add personalization, but again, it frees you up from having to sit at the computer and rack your brain. You can also use Chat GPT to help you with your SEO. Now, there's a lot of tools out there to help you pick specific keywords. Ubersuggest, Moz, SEMrush, I love them all. But if you can use Chat GPT to help you select keywords that are relevant to your industry, again, it's a start and it's complimentary. When it comes to SEO, I highly recommend hiring an SEO expert, but maybe there's somebody you can work with part-time who can use this as a tool and free up the amount of time and increase their productivity. And you can also use Chat GPT to do market research. Your customer is going to shift over time. They're going to maybe get a little bit older, maybe a little younger, have different interests. Maybe they're going to have an interest in a certain type of technology that wasn't available a couple of years ago when you started your business. You can ask Chat GPT to give you a 10,000-foot overview of what your current customer looks like, because it's very easy for us to get into a rut and know what it looked like yesterday and think that's what it's going to look like tomorrow. It's always going to change. So there you have it, a couple of ways you can use Chat GPT to help grow your business and take some of the weight off of your shoulders. If you like short lessons like this, do me a favor, click the like button as well as subscribe and share it with a friend. Also, if you want to connect with me and ask me to cover something for you, I'm happy to do it. You can find me at all the social places and at my website, themarketingprofessor.net. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.